Hey guys, today I'm going to show you connect Samsung any flagship device to your any laptop and use Samsung Desk wirelessly like this. So let's begin. Okay, now first go to your Windows settings. After go to settings, search optional features. After search, guys, tap on view features. After tap on view feature, guys, you can find wireless display feature and install it. You can't see wireless display feature on my laptop because I already installed it. And after install, you can see wireless display in this section. After install wireless display feature, guys, again search projecting to this PC. After search, go to projection setting and guys, set same setting on your laptop. Set first option available everywhere on secure network. Second one, set first time only. And require pin set in never. After set all setting, guys, close your Windows. Now search wireless display. And you can see wireless display. Tap on open. After open, guys, after open wireless display on your Windows, now go to your Galaxy device and turn on Samsung Desk. Make sure guys your Galaxy device and your laptop connect on same network and your Galaxy device pair on your laptop via Bluetooth. Now you can see guys our Galaxy device find my laptop and I will tap on start now. You can see Samsung Desk on my laptop wirelessly. Now tap Alt plus Tab and set full screen manually. Now guys, you can see, now tap on left corner on your device and you use Samsung Desk wirelessly via your Galaxy device. I hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, if you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.